Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers. I'm
Matt King with King Piers.
And me and my son, we do a lot of things to help people out. And we drove down here to Johnson City and showed these people how to level their house without piering. Piering is how I really make our living, but that's the expensive way and the permanent way. But there's also a permanent way that you can raise it that's less expensive. And that's coming inside with 6x6 treated wood support beams, hydraulic jacks, and vertical support beams. Now this is all temporary, because now what we're going to do, we've already leveled the house somewhat, and it's not level, but it's much better than it was when we started an hour
here. You can see just by getting everything into place how much we were able to lift. And even looking at the floor joist, you can see we're not finished out here yet.
The floor joist is still visibly sinking, but these fine people have been living on lopsided floors, so they're used to it. So Daniela, their daughter, went upstairs and says it's a huge difference now with them not even leveled. So stay tuned. We're going to keep videoing this. This is a DIY. We are here to help people. King Piers in Kansas City, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.
Thank you.